Making money online has been one of the most talked about. No. Okay. Making money online is easy. Yes, we can make money online in different ways. Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. This is a video that I'm going to show you how I easily make money on YouTube. However, it's not easy as what people say. It's not easy as what you come here and hear that making money online is easy. No. Yes, you can make money at the comfort of your home. This is one of the spots that I love making videos from because it's a culture and it makes me comfortable without talking a lot. Guys, this video is for education purposes. It's raw, not edited. I'm bringing exactly what we face or what creators face when trying to make videos, when trying to make posts, make reels. But leaving what we face aside, I don't always concentrate on what we face. I concentrate on what we do to make it work. A lot of people have given up on making money online, especially with YouTube, Facebook, and they just throw a towel. Why? Because of challenges. There are different challenges. You can see from the beginning the challenges which were there. One of the challenges is to sit and look in the camera and start recording. But how do I make it work? I make it work in different ways. And in today's video, I'm going to show you my basic secrets that I use to make sure that I make money. To make sure that I make money on YouTube, on Facebook, on all those platforms that I make. But before we dive into it, allow me put this disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes. I'm not saying that the moment you start what I'm talking right now or what I'm educating you about, you're going to make it. No, you might not make it. No way. There are terms and conditions. Provided you take these 5 to 10% of the information I'm giving you of the tips, go out there, do some research. If you find you can do it, keep it up. If you can't do it, you can look for any other venture that can replace making money online. So, having said that, do you know we have these amazing people? We have our engagers. We have the people that are always on our videos, on all social media platforms. I love you so much. Thank you very much, and God bless you. May God give you whatever you need. Can we dive in and I show you my basic secrets? Irrespective of all the challenges you know, what do we do to make sure that, what do I do, not what do we do, what do I do to make sure that I come almost every day? I show up because I want to make money. The first one is my mindset. You guys, if you don't tame your mindset on any activity or on any project, mindset matters a lot. So what I did, I put my mindset straight as far as making money online. I know making money online is a project. So my mindset is positive. I know where I'm going. I know the things. When I get problems, when I get challenges, they will not make me fall down. I'll dust up and move forward. So my mindset and your mindset should be focused on a focused goal, on a focused achievement. Otherwise, if you come, start with your smartphone, when your mindset is, you know, you've not trained your mindset of where your goals, where your achievements are, it will not work. So that is my first basic trick. You cannot fool me. I'm a very strong lady as far as that is concerned. 2, I've considered, I wrote on my board that making money online is my business. Come to think about it, do you know the business people? I was talking to my bestie today before I did this video, was like, I have to make it work. I have to go out. My business is this. My business, my business, my business. Was telling me about business, not about my job, my business. So the same applies to me. You cannot touch my camera. This is my business. And since it is my business, like the way he was rushing, the way you be there and you're like, oh my God, my business, this is going wrong. The same applies to how I treat Facebook, how I treat YouTube, how I treat social media. If it is not business, it means I'm not doing anything. I'm not getting income. And with business, you enter in business when you're going to make money. So if you're not getting money there, it means it is not working. So I make sure and say, if this is my business, how can it work? So the treatment, I treat it like business. Like, for example, you guys, if you know that Facebook is for fun or YouTube is for fun, you will not go and buy a nice phone, a nice camera. You will not buy a mic. Because why do you invest in something that is not going to give you returns? Okay, like before I did this video, I've been on, it's like on, how do I call it? It should be a very quiet time, a quiet time, because I had something that was disturbing me, so my health was at stake. But if it was your business, do you cross it? No, you don't cross it. You look for ways. You say, okay, let me send somebody. But now, I'll not send somebody. I look for ways to make sure that I open my business. So the third secret is quality, quantity, not views, and not subscribers. I don't know how you put it. Most people have concentrated on subscribers, on views. You know, someone will be asking you, how many subscribers do you have? People don't forget that you can have 1,000, for example, cars in your showroom. I'm talking about cars because I love cars anyway. You are having 1,000 cars in your showrooms and they are not bringing money. Then another have 3 to 10 cars, but he's selling, every week is selling those 10 cars and bringing more 10 cars. So who is richer? So I don't consider views, I consider money. And if you follow us, you will know that the way money comes as far as social media is concerned. Then, another secret, the best practice I do, is to consider challenges, problems as challenges. Do you know we have a lot of problems? We have a lot of challenges, especially people who are working and are doing this. Time. We don't have time. That is the first challenge. 2, fatigue. Imagine you come from work and you go to do this. 3, you can record a video, at the end of it, there is nothing. 2 days back, I recorded a video. After finishing the video, 15 minutes, I found out the voice was not there. So what do? I will not be mad with these problems. Instead, I will consider them as challenges. The next time, instead of recording, you put a camera, especially when you're recording yourself, you put a camera, you start recording. No, now I learned from it. Before I start recording, I'll make a test. Then I see is the mic on. You get me? I believe the mic is on. And also, if it is, I will not throw a towel. Then the last but not, I do rescheduling. This is my trick. Rescheduling has been my weapon. As I do this video, I'm doing this video for after some days. You're going to watch this video, not the exact day, but the other days. Without forgetting my personal best assistant, that is AI tools. AI tools, talk of ChatGPT, talk of Gemini, talk of Canva, talk of CapCut, mention them. They have been the best for me. So do we have challenges? We have challenges, but these are